We love to split people into two types, the overthinkers and the underthinkers, and the stereotype is easy. Overthinkers get paralyzed in the spiral. Underthinkers just leap without looking. But in my life, I've seen how both can be extraordinary. Let me start with the overthinker. I have a friend, let's call him Daniel, who once spent an entire week debating which toaster to buy. A toaster? He had spreadsheets on wattage, crumb tray design, even the likelihood of catastrophic bread failure. And yes, it drove me crazy. But here's the thing. Daniel notices details the rest of us miss. When the pandemic hit, guess who already had emergency supplies, backup plans, and a homemade air filter rigged from a box fan? Daniel. That's the overthinker's genius. What looks like anxiety is often just imagination on steroids. Neuroscience even backs this up. The default mode network, the part of the brain that lights up when we daydream or replay conversations, is hyperactive in overthinkers. It's the imagination engine. Without it, no Einstein thought experiments, no Virginia Woolf inner worlds. Now let's look at the underthinker. My other friend, call her Maya, is the opposite. She doesn't plan, she just acts. We once got lost hiking. I wanted to check the map, weigh our options. She just pointed and said, "That way looks fine," and marched off. I grumbled until we found the trailhead 10 minutes later. That's the underthinker's gift, fast heuristics. Psychologists call them rules of thumb. They're not always perfect, but they keep us moving. In evolutionary terms, they're the hunters who threw the spear while the rest of us were still calculating wind speed. And when you put them together, that's the sweet spot. Daniel expands the map. Maya takes the first step. One builds the rocket ship, the other presses the launch button. It's the same tension you see everywhere. Hamlet, paralyzed by thought, and Nike. Just do it. And the truth is, both matter. Without overthinking, we lose depth. Without underthinking, we never leave the driveway. So the question isn't which one is better. It's how they dance. How one voice asks, "But what if?" And the other answers, "Why not?" That rhythm, that conversation is how we move forward. And maybe the future doesn't belong to overthinkers or underthinkers alone, but to the people wise enough to love both. You don't have to overthink what to do next. Just click the like icon, share this video, and subscribe. But you don't have to underthink either. You can leave a thoughtful comment as well.